Hi friends, today we are talking about what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by government, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and typically operate on technology called blockchain. Here are some key characteristics of cryptocurrencies. Number one is decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by a central authority like a government or a central bank. Instead, they rely on a distributed ledger technology such as blockchain, which is maintained by a network of participants around the world. This decentralization is one of the most significant features of cryptocurrencies. The number two is cryptography. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This makes it difficult for authorized parties to alter transaction data or create counterfeit coins. Number three is digital nature. Cryptocurrencies exist purely in digital form. They do not have a physical representation like a paper, money, or coins. Instead, they are stored in digital wallets. Number four is global and borderless. Cryptocurrencies can be sent and received anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. They are not bound by geographic borders or exchange rates. Number 5 is ownership and transactions. When you own cryptocurrency, you have a private key that allows you to access and control your holdings. Transactions involve transferring cryptocurrencies from one digital wallet to another, and these transactions are recorded on the blockchain for cryptocurrency. Number 6 is limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies have a fixed supply or predetermined issuance schedule. For example, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, which creates scarcity and often compared to precious metals like gold. Number 7 is volatility. Cryptocurrencies prices can be highly volatile with significant price fluctuations over short periods. This makes them attractive to traders and investors but also introduce risks. Number 8 is use cases. Cryptocurrencies have various use cases, including as a means of exchange for goods and services, a store of value, a unit of account, and as a platform for decentralized applications. Some well known cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many others. Each of these cryptocurrencies may have unique features and use cases beyond just being a digital form of money. It is important to note that the cryptocurrency space is constantly evolving and new projects and technologies are continually emerging. Additionally, the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies varies from one country to another, which can have a significant impact on their use and acceptance. That was all. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.